Hey everybody, welcome back. So it's the next day and we are going to open up the fridge and deal with all the stuff in there. We're gonna try to organize it and hopefully make some meal prep type items for lunches and stuff. As you can see, it's jam-packed in there and we can hardly get at anything.
And the door.
And the door is pretty bad too. So we can't really get to our food. So we're gonna organize it. Better. Kayla is still boiling eggs. We're just waiting on them. We're just waiting on the strawberries and the boiled eggs. But it's got some organization to it. We have some cut up vegetables. We have some cut up cheese, our lunch meat, some more vegetables and some strawberries. Down here we've got some yogurt, our berries, and then of course the cheese and the lunch meat drawer. And we've got some extra fruits and vegetables down here. And our milk and Andy's roast for tomorrow.
What is this?
So, oh yep, and we gotta put this somewhere. Very important. Okay, so that looks better, and yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.